So while you already saw a quick glimpse of a procedure, which again means that it's going to return a void, I at least want to go over more of the structure with you. Number one, the first line of any function is called a function header. Here we have print menu, void print menu to be exact, and there is an empty set of parentheses, which is really our kind of very similar to our prototype, except for the semicolon at the very end of it. But number two, it is an empty set of parentheses, so I'm not passing any values into, which we really haven't talked about quite yet, and that's okay. We'll get into that. But the function's not, notice there's no variables in this one at all. So there could be loops, there could be anything that you want in here, but in this particular case, we're not. So this function will start from the top, we'll call print menu, and then notice that opening squiggly brace and then closing squiggly brace. This looks similar to a main, right? So we're going to just start from top to bottom. Once we are done, we exit out of the function and we move on with the rest of our program. But the overall structure here, especially the squiggly braces, is really important, and also about the signature again. Notice again, when we're talking about the function itself, there's no semicolon here or anywhere else in that particular block for the function. But you have the return type as your number one, the function name is your two, and the rest of them I basically went over already, but at least wanted to go through a couple of them. So anyway, that's your first setup for a simple procedure.